Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the authentication error in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, log out of the game launcher. The first step is to completely sign out of the program you use to start the game. You need to tell the computer to forget your name for a moment so you can start fresh. Open your game launcher and click on your name or picture in the corner. Look for the button that says Log Out or Sign Out and click it. It resets the connection between your computer and the game's home. You have to sign out so that the computer can stop using the old information that was causing the error. Without this step, the game might keep trying to use the wrong details over and over again. Next, close the program completely. You need to make sure the game launcher is totally turned off and not just hiding in the background. Click the X to close the window and then check your taskbar at the bottom. Right-click the game icon and pick Close or Quit to make sure it is really gone. Sometimes a program stays half awake, even when you close the window. By turning it all the way off, you ensure that every part of the software stops running. This clears out the memory for your fix and makes sure the computer is ready for a clean start when you open it again. Lastly, sign back in. Now you are going to give the computer your information again to prove that it is really you. Open the game launcher one more time and wait for the login boxes to appear. Carefully type in your email address and your secret password into the empty spots. By typing your details in fresh, you are giving the system the correct proof it needs to let you in. It is the key step to getting the right output and making sure the authentication mistake is gone for your game. And that's it. To fix the login error in Minecraft, you must first log out of your account to clear old data. Then, you close the program completely to give it a rest. Next, you sign back in with your email and password to prove who you are. Finally, you restart your internet if you still have trouble. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.